Time is important. Sometimes time is on your side. Time to go. Time to wait. Time is running out. Time on your hands. Time to get down to business. Your time is up. Time to behave. Time to play. Time to change. Time to quit. Record time. To time. Time warp. Time travel. Time is important. Dominique Wieland Watchmaker, Swiss quality and services since 1992. Dominique Wieland is a Swiss watchmaker with 30 years in the business. Located in West Michigan, Dominique is offering exclusive watches from Switzerland and superior quality repair services for Rolex, Omega, and other Swiss mechanical watches, from men's and women's wristwatches to pendant watches and pocket watches. Dominique Wieland has exactly what you're looking for. Whether it's a gift you're looking for that special occasion, or to add to your collection of timepieces, Dominique also carries the new Echo Drive watches from Citizen. If you're looking for a quality watchmaker for your fine watch, don't look further. Dominique Wieland is a 5th generation Swiss watchmaker with 30 years experience. Dominique also offers case and bracelet refinishing, bracelet sizing, battery replacement, crystals, winding crowns, water resistant issues. Dominique Wieland Watchmaker, Swiss quality and services since 1992. Timeless.